Assalamualaikum class 4. Hope you all are fine and doing great at home. This is your math lesson. And nowadays we are working on unit number 6. Unit number 6. Perimeter and area. What is perimeter, everyone? Tell me. Good. Boundary of the closed shape is called the perimeter and the area is the inside surface of the shape. Now tell me class, what is the formula of perimeter? Good. The formula of perimeter is 2 bracket length plus breadth, and L stand for length and B stand for breadth. And what is the formula of area? Good. Length multiplied by breadth. These are the two formulas we have used and solve the following questions.
An introduction to area. Area is the space inside a 2D shape. We can't use units such as centimetres or metres because they only measure distances in a straight line. So, to measure area, we use squares. This shape has an area of 8 squares. Let's calculate the area of some other shapes. If we overlay a grid, it makes it easy to calculate. By counting, we can see that the area of the first shape is 15 squares, and the area of the second shape is 12 squares. But what if we want to calculate the area of a shape and there are no squares to help us? For example, this playing court. We will need to know the length and the width of our shape. The length is 7 metres and the width is 4 metres. The rule for calculating the area of a rectangle is length times width. So, to calculate the area of this rectangle, we must multiply 7 metres by 4 metres. 7 times 4 equals 28. The area is 28 squares. And because our measurements are in metres, the area is 28 square metres. So, now we know the rule. Area equals length times width. But let's go back to our last example to see why this works. We know that we have 4 rows, each with 7 squares. 7 times 4. We can see that 28 squares fit perfectly over the area. So, the area is 28 square metres, or metres squared. Let's see if we can use this rule with another rectangle. Area equals length, which is 8 centimetres, times width, which is 3 centimetres. 8 times 3 is 24. This rectangle has an area of 24 centimetre squares. Instead of writing squares, we can use this symbol to show we are measuring area. Now we'll have a go at calculating the area of an irregular shape. Here is the floor plan of a house. Can you see how we can divide this irregular shape into 2 rectangles? There are a couple of ways we could do it. One is like this, and another is like this. Then, we'd just have to use our rule area equals length times width to work out the area of both rectangles. Finding the area of a rectangle is easy.
Question number 6 is complete the following table by finding complete the following table by finding the length or breadth of the rectangle. In question number 17 and in 18, you have seen that we have length and breadth and we have to find the perimeter and the area. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 और 18 में हमने क्या किया था, हमारे पास लेंथ और ब्रेथ गिवन थे रेक्टेंगल की और हमने सिंपल इस फॉर्मूला में पुट किया था और उसका आंसर हमारे पास आ गया था. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड द ब्रेथ एंड द रेक्टेंगल एंड perimeter and area sometime you have given. We have table perimeter, length and breadth. We have A, B, C and D, E parts. We have 5 parts of this question. In first part, we have perimeter is 20 centimeter and length is 6 centimeter. And we have to find the breadth. हमने क्या find करना है? Breadth को find करना है. As you can see in A part, we have perimeter 20 centimeter, length is 6 centimeter, and you have to find the breadth. A part, perimeter is equal to P stands for perimeter 20 centimeter, and length is 6 centimeter. You have to find the breadth. Now tell me class, what is the formula of perimeter? Good. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. And you have to put the values. What is the value of perimeter? Perimeter is 20 centimeter. To as it is, what is the length? Length is 6 centimeter. And what is the breadth? Breadth we have to find. हमने breadth क्या करना है? Find करना है. Now we have 20 centimeter. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हमारे पास b कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने 2 को अंदर 2 को 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसी तरह 2 को b से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. तो 2 6 आर 12 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 2 कैसे करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2b. नाउ दिस इज द रूल कि जब हमारे पास यहाँ पे वैल्यू प्लस में होती है तो हम वैल्यू को जब इक्वल की किस तरफ लेके जाते हैं ऑपोजिट साइड पे, तो वो माइनस हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 20 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 12 सेंटीमीटर विच इज इक्वल टू 2b. जब हमने 12 सेंटीमीटर को इस साइड पे मूव किया तो उसकी साइन चेंज हो गया, यहाँ पे प्लस था, यहाँ पे आके माइनस हो जाएगा वो, और यहाँ पे वापस क्या हो जाएगा 2b. 20 माइनस 12 इज 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड इस साइड पे क्या हुआ 2b. अब हमें किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए? ब्रेथ की वैल्यू चाहिए. फ्रॉम दिस स्टेप वी हैव 2 वेज टू सोल्व दिस स्टेप. या तो हम क्या करेंगे बोथ साइड में 2 डिवाइड कर देंगे, या हम क्या करेंगे 2 को सिंपली, अगर दिस इज द रूल कि अगर हमारे पास हमें एक चीज मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद b, तो हम लोग उसको यहाँ पे अगर इक्वल किस साइड पे लेके जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे हम उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि वी हैव 8 सेंटीमीटर. अगर हम इस 2 को इधर मूव करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2 और यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा b. अब यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, 2 1 जा 2 2 chords are 8. This is the cutting rule. 4 centimeter is equal to B. So the breadth is B is equal to 4 centimeter. So the breadth is 4 centimeter. अगर आपने ये वाला रूल नहीं करना तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 को डिवाइड कर लेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 को डिवाइड कर लेंगे, तो यहाँ पे 2 खत्म हो जाएगा. बेसिकली वी हैव टू हमने यहाँ पे b को अलग कर लेंगे. हमें पहले वैल्यू किसकी चाहिए, b की चाहिए. तो हमें b के साथ जो भी चीज होगी उसको किसी न किसी तरीके से हमें उसको हटा देना है ताकि हमारे पास b की वैल्यू आ जाए. सो द ब्रेथ इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. When you have perimeter is 20 centimeter, length is 6 centimeter, then the breadth is 4 centimeters. So this is the way how you can find the breadth and length. Sometimes length is given and breadth is not given, and sometimes breadth is given and length is not given, and perimeter is also given. तो इस तरीके से आपने फाइंड कर लेनी है लेंथ और ब्रेथ की वैल्यू. समटाइम यू हैव लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ बोथ आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर, एंड पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना फिर बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. वहाँ पर सिर्फ लेंथ और ब्रेथ होगी, जिस तरह हमने अपने प्रीवियस लेसन में क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 और 18 में किया था. उस तरीके से सिंपली हम लोग पेरीमीटर फाइंड कर लेंगे जब लेंथ और ब्रेथ हमारे पास गिवन होगी. Now we're moving toward B part. In B, so class, in B part we have perimeter is 28 centimeter, length we have to find, and the breadth is 5 centimeter. But you have to find length is you have to find. आपने length को find करना. Similarly we have in B part perimeter. P stand for perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter, and length L stand for length, and length we have to find, and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. In previous question we have breadth and perimeter and we have to find length. But in this question and in this B part, we have perimeter 28 centimeter, length is you have to find, and breadth is 5 centimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? Good. The formula of perimeter is P is equal to bracket, not bracket, length plus breadth, and the bracket is close. Now you have to put the values. What is the value of perimeter? Perimeter is 28 centimeter. Is equal to 2 की जगह पे 2. Length you have to find and L हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे. Plus breadth is 5 centimeter. Now we have 28 centimeter as it is. इसी के नीचे इक्वल के नीचे बिल्कुल इक्वल का साइन आना चाहिए. 2 multiplied by L is 2L plus sign as it is. 2 5s are 10 centimeter. अब हमें किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए क्लास? लेंथ की वैल्यू चाहिए L. तो हमने क्या करना है, इस लेंथ को सेपरेट करना है इन सब से. तो यहाँ हम पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 28 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज द रूल कि जब हमने यहां से कोई वैल्यू इक्वल की इस तरफ ऑपोजिट साइड पे लानी होती है तो हम उसका साइन चेंज कर देते हैं. मतलब यहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है तो यहाँ इक्वल की इस तरफ वापस नहीं करते ना माइनस. यहाँ पर जगह 10 सेंटीमीटर which is equal to 2L. 28 minus 10 is, so 28 minus 10 is 18 centimeter which is equal to 2L. अब हमें लेंथ की वैल्यू चाहिए, उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, what we will do, 18 centimeter which is equal to 2L. We have to find the value L. तो यहाँ पे 2 से क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. जब इक्वल इस तरफ पे आएगा ऑपोजिट साइड पे, we'll divide by 18 divided by 2 which is equal to L. 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18 which is equal to 9 centimeter is equal to L. So the length is 9 centimeter. When you have perimeter 28 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, then length is 9 centimeter. So So this is the way you can find different values, length or breadth. After this we have C part. So these are the formula which you have used and find the different. Now we have C part, in which we have perimeter is 34 centimeter, length is 12 centimeter, and you have to find the breadth. Perimeter is 34 centimeter, length is 12 centimeter, breadth is you have to find. Now we have formula. Two bracket length plus breadth. What is the value of perimeter? Perimeter is 34 centimeter. 2 की जगह पे 2 bracket. What is the value of length? Length is 12 centimeter plus breadth you have to find. So 34 centimeter, which is equal to 12 multiplied by 2 is 24 centimeter plus as it is and 2b. 2 ने अंदर वाली दोनों टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए. On the same pattern, when you move 24 centimeter on the other hand of the equal, you will write minus sign and 24 centimeter, which is equal to breadth. You have to find the value of breadth. Now 34 centimeter minus 24 centimeter, what is? Now subtract 34 centimeter minus 24 centimeter. Tell me the answer, class. 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, which is 10 centimeter, which is equal to 2b. You have to find the value of breadth. For that purpose, you will divide 10 by 2. 10 centimeter, which is equal to 2b. When 2 is multiplied with b,
as you know that when two digits will multiply together and when we have to separate each other from together, then we will divide one of the digit on the other side. Okay, you will now divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then b is equal to 5 centimeter.
So in C part we have perimeter is equal to 34 centimeter, length is equal to 12 centimeter, and you have to put all the values in the perimeter formulas and you get the value of breadth, and breadth is 5 centimeter. Now moving towards D part, and in D part we have perimeter is equal to class. Writing should be neat and work should be clean. Please write one digit in one block. 70 centimeter. On same line, in previous question you have to find length. Now you have to find breadth. And length you have to find. and breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. On same lines, what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 length bracket L plus B. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. What is the value of perimeter? You have to put instead of P 70 centimeter, which is equal to 2. Length you have to find, and which is equal to breadth is equal to 15 centimeter, which is 70 centimeter. Now you have to multiply 2 with L and 15. 2L plus 2 15s are 30 centimeter. Now you have to find the value of length. For that purpose, when we will move 30 centimeter to on the other side, we have to find the value of L. Now we will move 30 centimeter on the other side of equals. For finding the value of L, 70 centimeter minus 30 centimeter, which is equal to 2L. 70 centimeter minus 30 centimeter is equal to guard 40 centimeter, which is equal to 2L. Now L is a variable and 2 is the coefficient. When you have to find the value of L, you will and when two variable and coefficient are multiplied, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि 2 को on the other side पे जब लेके जाएंगे तो वो पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, and you have to find and you will get the value of length. We have 40 centimeter by 2, which is equal to L, and 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40, and the value of length is 40 centimeter. Now we have E part, and in E part, we have perimeter is equal to 300 centimeter, length is equal to 100 centimeter, and you have to find the value of breadth. This is your homework class.
This is your homework. You will do this question by following the method that we have done in class, and you will do all the questions in your notebook. If you find any problem, any ambiguity regarding any question, then you may consult with me in the coming lessons. Okay, Allah Hafiz.